Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you guys had the day you deserve. We are now in Vlogmas day 5. I did not vlog yesterday. Listen, here. I just didn't. I was outside, but I didn't vlog. Anywho, I didn't sleep too good. I didn't sleep good at all. I'm in a lot of pain because Roy T got a bed that came in a box. A really big bed, a really tall bed, and a really heavy bed. My husband was at work. They didn't bring the bed upstairs. They left it in my lobby. He did tell me to ask around, like our neighbors, but because we know everybody in my building, but majority of the men go to work and majority of the women are at home. So asking women to help me, I just didn't think I thought that was pointless. And they are kind of smaller than me, so I would need super strength. Anywho, I looked at the box and I was like, okay, I think I could do this. And the way my building is set up, you have to walk a flight of stairs to get to the elevator. It's stupid as hell. I don't know who constructed the building. I don't know who designed it, who did the blueprint. I don't know. But it's stupid. Anywho, it took me about 35 minutes to get up. Am I missing the bus? And I am, but I'm not running. It took me about 35 minutes to get the box upstairs. I couldn't even believe how heavy it was when I was trying to drag it up the stairs. It was so heavy. It was so heavy. And so now my back hurts. I'm just like trying not to be dependent on pills for the pain. And it's been about 2 weeks and I'm thinking that maybe I would like to go to see my doctor and let her know what's been going on, because I might need some type of therapy. Oh my God, another bus. What the hell? I'm just missing all the buses. This is crazy. OMG. Yeah, so that's my night and my morning. And this morning I have a meeting at my son's school. Yeah. Okay, now I'm walking because I missed the bus. It's okay. I got y'all to talk to. So, yeah, that's what's been going on. And I did get a chance to do my eyebrows. And I didn't get a chance to put on my toes and my nails. My fingernails, press-ons. But I'm gonna get to it. I did finally juice, because I told you I was doing it before, so I had to re-up on my product. Went to Wegmans, as y'all saw in the last vlog, and got my product, got my green juice going. And yeah, I didn't bring Royalty to school this morning. It is 20 degrees. And I'm just not, yeah, that ain't it. I was thinking the other day how I miss going to the nail salon. And not that well, technically I can't because my nails are like still getting strong. And believe it or not, when you go to the nail salon consistently and you get tips with acrylic powder, whatever you want to call it, whatever you get, or gel, like that stuff really do in the long run, to me, I feel affects your nails. But what really affect my nails is the hypothyroidism. And your nails become softened and weakened like easily to break. So, but we try to take my medicine. But also, I never thought that I would be in love with press-on nails. And I am. It's easy, it's quick, and it's affordable. The amount of money that I hear people say they spent on nails or eyebrows or lashes it's insane to me. It's insane. The fact that they're even saying the price and the numbers out loud is insane to me. And I be like, am I the only one who's sitting back saying that this is not normal? It's not normal. I'm sorry. It's not. It's not. And I don't know what's worse, the people who charge that amount or the people who pay the amount. I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm not understanding why $275, $300 for nails and feet. I would never. I could. Thank God. But I would never. You must be crazy. And no judgment to my girlies who do it. If that's what you do, you got it to do. I hope you got it to do. And I hope you're not making between life choices and doing your nails. Stability or doing your nails and your feet. But if you got it, more power to you. More power to you. My eyebrows, I get threaded. Threaded has always been the best way to go. I do not need them enhanced. I do not need them shaped to perfection. They are to perfection already. If I want to draw in a little bit, then I would do that. But I don't. Get your little elf brow gel. Make them look nice and sharp and clean. There you go, pal. My eyebrows are $7, $8, somewhere around that. Between $7 and $10. And my nails are $2.99. Ain't no shame in my game. And my press-on toenails are $2.99 also. So y'all add that up. I can have $100 and come back prettier than ever. I'm already pretty, but you know what I mean. Yeah, so listen, everything is about $1 in America. You got to do what works for you. You have to do what works for you. So, and no, they don't come off. The nails don't come off. They do not come off. You have to make sure that you give yourself a manicure. You don't just buy the nails and just put them on. You got to make sure you cut your nails, clean your nails, do all of that stuff. And then you apply the nails. And I always do short. I'm not a long nail girl. So, yeah. But I'm almost here at my son's school. I got one of my green drinks with me that I'm about to drink right now. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys when I get out. I love y'all because I walked and held the phone with no glove and it's 20 degrees. Don't tell me I don't love y'all.